मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। प्यारे बच्चों, dear students, welcome to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Myself am Ruxana, assistant teacher of Galib High School, Bellary. Let us discuss 1 mark questions, objectives, 2 mark questions, fill in the blanks in the chapter 3rd, that is ancient civilization of India. This chapter is belong to 8th standard history. Let us discuss now, fill in the blanks, complete the following sentences. First one is, the fertile land that is near Bolan Pass is dash. Answer is Mehrgarh. Mehrgarh. Second blank, Harappa was found in the Sindhu Valley of Punjab. In the blank you have to write down Sindhu. Third blank, Harappan people dependent on agriculture and dash. In this blank you have to write down trade. Trade. Fourth blank, the oldest Veda is dash. Answer is Rig Veda. Fifth blank, the priest who conducted yagnas was called as dash in Rig Veda. Answer is Hotur. Hothar. Sixth blank, the slokas of Rig Veda are called dash. Suktas. Seventh blank, Vedas means knowledge. Eighth blank, during Vedic period, the leaders had organization called Sabha and Samiti. S-A-B-H-A, Sabha and Samiti, S-A-M-I-T-H-I. Now let us discuss multiple choice questions, children. First multiple choice question is, the world's oldest literary works are the dash. There are 4 options. First one is Ramayana, second is Mahabharata, third is Upanishad, and fourth is Veda. You have to write down answer is Veda. Second multiple choice question, Rig Veda is the most ancient. It is about dash years old. First option is 4500, second option is 3500, and third option is 1500, and fourth option is 6000. Answer is, so right answer is 3500. Third question, during Vedic period all the literary works were in dash language. So first option is Kannada, second option is Prakrit, third option is Sanskrit, and fourth option is Pali. So right answer is Sanskrit. Question number 4. Women scholars were called dash during Vedic period. Answer, Mata Brahmavadini. 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 Third option Arya, and fourth option is Acharya. So right answer is Brahmavadini. Fifth question, the king and the princes celebrated dash sacrifices to conquer all the territories. So first option is Raja Soya, second option is Ashwamedha, third option is Vajapiya, and fourth option is Sarvamedha. So right answer is Ashwamedha. Children, let us discuss now question and answers. So first question is, write on the special features of Harappa cities. Answer is, the lower town in the low-lying area of the city was the place of habitation of the people. Second point, it was constructed in a very methodical manner. Systematically laid out houses. Almost every person lived in either 1 or 2 stored house. The houses were built of bricks and had strong walls. There were rooms all around the courtyard inside. The main door faced the streets and there were bathrooms in the houses. Second question, children. Write a note on the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Answer. Mohenjo-daro was one of the cities, had a swimming pool. Scholars have called this the Great Bath. It was built of brick so as to prevent the seepage of water from the pool. The bath has steps on two sides to go down and has rooms all around. The water was probably supplied to the bath by a well and used water was let out. Probably very important people to bath in this pool on special occasions. Probably very important people took bath in this pool on special occasions. So third question is, how was the nature of town plan during Harappa civilization? Answer is, Harappa had a perfect town planning and the lower town in the low-lying area of the city was a place of habitation of the people. Systematically laid out houses, roads and drains are found here and the houses are one or two stored built of bricks with strong walls. There were rooms all around the courtyard inside and the main door faced the street and none of the windows open onto the streets. The cities had a neatly laid out underground sewage system and the drains were built of bricks and covered with stone slabs. The gutter of each house was linked to main drain outsides. Holes were created in the drains to enable timely cleaning of them. Question number 4. Name the Vedas. Answer is, there are 4 Vedas. There are Rig Veda, Sama Veda, Yajur Veda and Atharvana Veda or Atharva Veda. Fifth question. Question number 5. What yagna and yagas were important during the Vedic period? Answer. Rajasuya, Vajapiya, Sarvamedha and Ashwamedha were the yagnas and yagas common during the Vedic period. Next question, children. Name the professions on the name the professions of the post-Vedic period. Answer. The people in the later Vedic age had learnt cultivation of rice, means paddy. Many professions like trade, goldsmith, basket weavers, rope weavers, cloth weavers, carpenters and potters. There were servants, astrologers, flute players, dancers and merchants. Question number 7. Name the prominent women scholars during Vedic period. Answer is, the prominent women scholars were Apala, Lopamudra, Ghosha, Maitreya, Gargi and Vishwavara. Say one more time, Vishwavara. Question number 8. What was the role of the Sabha and Samiti during Vedic period? So answer is, during Vedic period, leaders had organizations called the Sabha and Samiti to advise them on administrative matter. The Sabha had a broad representation of the people, whereas the Samiti was a political organization having a few people engaged in specific administrative tasks. Question number 9. Describe briefly the village administration of the Vedic period. Answer is, the basic unit of the administration was the village and the Gramini was the head. The basic unit of the administration was the village and the Gramini was the head. A group of villagers were called the Vish and the Vishwapati was its head. Many Vishyas come together to form Jana and kingdom. This was ruled by a king who would be called Raja, Rajan or Gopa. Question number 10. This is the last question, children. How Harappan civilization comes to an end? Answer is, some historians feel that dried rivers as the reason, and others feel that changed course of rivers was the reason. Other historians have cited the destruction of forest as the cause. Probably inundation by floods could be the reason. Thank you. Jazakallah khaira. Have a nice day.